This bike chain is all rusty, and I'm going to put some liquid wrench penetrating oil. It's guaranteed to cut rust. We'll see. I'm going to spray down here. I don't want to spray back by the tire. So if I get lubricant on the rim, brakes aren't going to work as well. So I want to stay away from there. So I'm going to spray this here in the middle. And I'm going to spray all the way around the chain. And I've got that all sprayed, the entire chain. And I'm just going to rotate this a few times. Get that lubricant in all those joints. And I'm going to let that sit for a while. I've actually let this penetrating oil sit on this chain for a few days. I'm going to try and take off some of the excess here. I got a clean rag. I can't push very hard on the rag because it wants to bite into the chain. Oh, is that dirty? I'm gonna keep on doing this. Try and get most of that penetrating oil off of the chain. Wow, that dirty. Much better than it was. You can see some of the rust on there, but it doesn't show up as well when it's wet. Be sure and check out my other videos.